What's up, and welcome back to Destiny's Vlogs, and welcome if you're new. Today, I know you can already tell by the title what we're gonna do, but this is very special to me because I love things all drinks. I love coffee drinks. I like making alcoholic drinks. If you haven't seen my older YouTube videos for Designated Drinker, this is the fall coffee video. The coffee machine that I'll be using is my Espresso machine. I got this for Christmas. I think 2 years ago, my husband bought me this for Christmas and saved me so much money. If you're a Starbucks person, get you an espresso. And then you get little pods. These are espresso pods. This is a double shot in here. But you can also get pods that just have one shot, pods that have 2 shots, coffee pods, anything like that. Like $1.19 or something for a pod. So, you know, adding with your milk, you're probably spending $3 per day on a venti, if you will, iced latte or coffee or whatever, versus going to Starbucks and spending $5, $6. I decided to wear an orange little shirt for fall vibes. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the first one, the cookie butter latte. The milk of choice that I'll be using for all of the drinks are oat milk. That's my milk of choice. That's my pride and joy. I love oat milk. The cookie butter, obviously, is the biscoff cookie butter. It's a requirement for the drink. You decide to order an espresso. This is the double espresso Sciro shot. Take my cookie butter. I just bought this yesterday. And y'all, so many fall things are out at the stores. Like, I got Instacart yesterday and I like put in pumpkin spice seasoning. They didn't have that. They had to look in the back for this cookie butter. I'm assuming a lot of people are buying it right now because it's fall. They were just out of a lot of stuff. I think I'm gonna do like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna lift this up. Okay, so this is what we're working on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Pretty mixed up in there. I definitely used a lot, but it's giving me like gingerbread vibes. Oh my God, it smells so good next to the espresso, y'all. Top tier. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my ice, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in some oat milk. Today is Oatly. Usually I use the barista edition, the Califia barista edition, but Oatly today. For oat milk, this is gonna be a very strong latte. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. Ooh. It's time to taste it. I'm a little scared because I didn't get much oat milk in there, but I still know it's gonna be good. This is my first time trying the cookie butter latte. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think to this I would add some brown sugar, or not even brown sugar. Yeah, I actually would. I would add brown sugar to this. It's not a sweet taste. It's just more of like a gingerbready taste. I rate this a 7 out of 10. It's good that I'm doing this in the morning because I haven't had, like I literally woke up, put some makeup on, put these clothes on, took my dog out, and then I was like, let's do this video because I haven't had coffee yet. So like this is right up my alley. This is right up my alley. The next drink we're gonna do, a dirty chai tea latte. Now, you can also make this non-dirty, which dirty just means you add an espresso. So a regular chai tea latte doesn't have espresso, but it's really just up to you and preference how you want to do it. Now, if you were doing a normal chai tea latte, all it would consist of is your choice of milk, which mine is oat milk, and this. This is literally the most important part of the drink. It's this right here. It's the classic chai latte. This is the same that Starbucks uses. So this is the most important part of your drink. First is, get your glass, get your chai tea latte, okay? How much chai you want, you know. Do a make sure heart feel well. For me, I guess I kind of went halfway-ish of the glass. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some ice. I have my 2 shots in here. I'm gonna pour that in there. I had to try this one. I I haven't had a dirty chai tea latte in I don't even know how long. It's usually not like my go-to drink, I guess, if you will. But it is good though. Go ahead and get a look at her. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Oh, look at this side. This side's better. Hold on. Yes, get into it. Come on. Give it a little mix. It's about to overflow. I give this a 9 out of 10. I'm not a big chai tea person. I like it, but it's not like I'm going crazy for it. Also, comment down below some coffees, some like lattes you want me to make, frappuccinos you might want me to make, things you want me to make in the comments, whether they be alcoholic or coffee. I'm always looking to get new ideas and things like that. We're on to the next. This is the one that if you clicked on this video, you've probably been waiting for. The pumpkin cream cold brew. Everybody goes nuts for this around fall time at Starbucks. Like, it's okay to me. It's not like bussin' to me, but it's pretty good. Ice, vanilla, milk, espresso, heavy cream, pumpkin pie spice, pumpkin puree, cold brew, and brown sugar. Now, I do not have pumpkin pie spice. My Publix didn't have it. So we're using cinnamon today. Honestly, pumpkin pie spice is for the vibes. Because 9 times out of 10, you're not really gonna taste it. I will put the measurements and everything down in the comments for you guys. So I do have a frother. This is my frother. It came with my Nespresso machine. But I know a lot of people use just like a cup and they get the little hand frother, which you can do that too. I've also seen people use a whisk and they just froth it. Like they just take the whisk and and you can froth it that way, which is more of like you literally doing it. I'm gonna be using my frother because it came with it, so, oops. Why wouldn't I be using this? 2. So that's 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Works for me. I'm using oat milk, so might use a little bit more. 1 tablespoon of milk, any kind of milk. It's really up to you. There's no judgment here. Use whatever type of milk you like. Pumpkin puree, organic pumpkin puree because I'm better than you guys. I'm using organic pumpkin puree because it's fall and everyone's doing something with pumpkin. So there was no regular pumpkin at the store. It would change if I was like making a big one or making big quantity. But yeah. Okay, so we have the heavy cream, milk, and pumpkin puree in here right now. Now, I use this Cafe Bustelo can because I don't like to throw stuff away or waste things. And I use brown sugar a lot because that's how I make my coffee. And I use brown sugar in my oatmeal too. So, I just filled it with brown sugar. And then a splash, just a splash of vanilla. Used pumpkin pie spice in here, but like I said, I couldn't get pumpkin pie spice, so I'm using cinnamon. So, ice. This is the cold brew. I'm using Stok cold brew. What Publix has in stock. It's fall, so I know things that normally wouldn't be out of stock is gonna be out of stock. Cream, I'm gonna pour my cream on top. Freaking beautiful. And look at it go. That's good. Make your pumpkin cold brews at home. You can have it all season, y'all. You do not have to wait until fall to go to Starbucks and get it. Make it yourself. 10 out of 10. I guess I can give you guys a bonus drink. I guess, since you asked. I'm gonna make my drink that I make every day. This is probably why I'm a brown sugar fiend, because I make it every day. And, sorry. At home. But yeah, I'm gonna make my favorite drink that I make every day. Just to give you guys like a little bonus drink in case you need like a everyday coffee idea. So I'm gonna use my same cup to brew 2 shots. I I've tried this one and I like it too. It's the it's one single shot. It's the Espresso Orafio. It's really pretty too. But yeah, I'm gonna use my favorite, which is, like I said before, the double espresso Chiaro. So in this one, I do 2 spoonfuls of, this is my everyday coffee, my everyday latte, I guess, that I make. 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar. Brew 2 shots over it. Let that dry for a second. So now that the espresso shots have brewed over this brown sugar, you're gonna mix. And I get my espresso shots, I pour them in with the brown sugar. This is the brown sugar espresso ice. That's it. Take your oat milk or milk of choice, so whatever, and then have milk. Look at that. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's perfect. Look at it. Look at it. Get a look at it. Oh. Oh my God. Hands down the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I love making drinking videos, but I really especially love making coffee videos. Coffee is near and dear to my heart. Like, I don't know where the fascination with coffee came from, but I did start drinking coffee at a young age. I started drinking coffee at, how old was I? 10? Yeah, 10, 9, 10. And then once I got to like 12, 13, I was drinking coffee every day. I was, where was I? I was in middle school. I had coffee every day. I had Starbucks every single morning. And then last year I worked at Starbucks for a couple months. And it's just a passion of mine. Yeah, I really, really appreciate you for watching this video, and thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment only positive things, only positive vibes over here, nothing negative. It will be deleted and I just won't like you, okay? So, but make sure that you also turn your post notifications on. It is, I was gonna say November, hold the phone. It's still October. It's October. I'm doing Vlogtober, so I'm posting as much as I can, consistently as I can. And I'm having fun making these videos for you guys, but especially the coffee ones. Like, if you have any more fall coffee videos you want me to do, comment down below. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.